Dear friends, today we discuss about ICT, Information and Communication Technology, concepts and its relevance for the agriculture extension. Information and Communication Technology, popularly known as ICTs, is the key enabler and an important component of the new knowledge-based economy and information revolution. In India, ICTs are increasingly integrated into its national development plans and adopting strategies for its widespread promotion in all the spheres of economic activities. Among ICTs and its applications, internet, mobile phones and social media are changing the way we communicate with each other and revolutionizing the human communication behavior. In this rapidly changing information technology and communication scenario, it is expected that ICTs will transform the agriculture extension and the way we communicate with the farmers and other stakeholders, those who are concerned with the agriculture development. Hence, in this session, we will discuss about the ICT terminologies such as information and communication technologies, village knowledge center, village resource center, web portal, telecenters, e-learning, e-agriculture and e-extension. First, we will discuss about ICTs, Information and Communication Technologies. These are diverse set of technological tools and resources used to communicate and to create, disseminate, store and manage the information. And further, these technologies also include computers, internet and network hardware and software, satellite systems, broadcasting technologies such as radio and television, and telephones including landlines and cellular phones, as well as the various services and applications associated with ICTs such as web portals, email, SMS, video conferencing, distance support systems, expert systems and social media, etc. And coming to the Village Knowledge Center, this was started way back 1998 by the MS Swaminathan Research Foundation in Pondicherry. The Village Knowledge Center serves as a information dissemination center using ICTs to provide instant access to the farmers to the latest information and knowledge available in the field of agriculture, starting from crop protection to marketing and also other services useful to the rural population. For example, VKC's Village Knowledge Centers of MS Swaminathan Research Foundation, Pondicherry and other parts of the country, they are doing services in the agriculture and other areas for the benefit of rural population. Another important initiative was Village Knowledge Centers. The VRC is a totally interactive VSAT based network. Users located at one node of this network can fully interact with others located at another node through video and audio links. And again, VRCs of ISRO started during 2004 in most part of our country. In Village Resource Center, mostly provides single window delivery mechanism of tele-education, telemedicine, tele-agricultural, e-governance services, weather advisories, other information and services for the rural empowerment. For example, in tele-education, VRCs are focusing on building indigenous skill and imparting training and capacity building, including formal, non-formal and adult education. As a community center for learning, VRCs aim to bring access to knowledge at the village's doorstep. And another important activities of VRCs are telemedicine system, consists of customized medical software integrated with computer hardware along with medical diagnostic instruments connected to the commercial VSAT at each location. Generally, the medical record or history of the patients is sent to the specialist doctors who will in turn study and provide diagnosis and treatment during the video conference with the patients at the other end. Telemedicine helps patients in rural areas to avail timely consultations of the specialist doctors without going through the difficulty in traveling long distances. Another application is agriculture. In agriculture, VRC will enable online interaction between the local farmers and agriculture scientists working at scientific institutions or universities. The advisory will cover a wide range of subjects starting from alternate cropping systems, optimization of agriculture inputs, seeds, water, fertilizer, insecticides, pesticides and producer oriented marketing opportunities. Services such as governmental schemes on agriculture, poverty alleviation, rural employment, social safety nets, food for work program and other basic entitlements, animal husbandry and livestock related services, services related to self-help groups will also be made available at the village resource centers, creating greater awareness on the available opportunities and rights of the community would foster the rural empowerment. And another important ICT is the web portals. A web portal is a website that acts as a multi-source or single source for all the information on a specific domain. The web portal offers the user a broad array of information arranged in a way that is most convenient for the users to access. For example, in agriculture, Tamil Nadu Agriculture University's Agritech portal is one important example in agriculture, and another one is for rural information. INDG portal, India Development Gateway by the CDAC may be the important example for the web portal. Coming to the type of web portals, there are search engines. To search any information, now popularly we use large number of search engines like most of the people use Google search engines. Search engine act as one of the most popular types of web portals. All an internet user, all the internet user has to do is search for the certain topic, issue or problem and potentiality of millions of pages show up as a result of the search query. Another one is important web portal is hub sites. Several websites on the internet act as hub in the online. Sites such as Live, Yahoo and Google offer everything from search engines to email accounts to niche information. Another one is content site. Most of the entertainment companies, online magazines and newspapers would fall under the content site category. Even TNA Agritech portal comes under the content site category. Companies are providing content enriched sites for online readers and for those looking for the entertainment and information. Another one is promotional sites. A promotional site represents the client's company, personality, product information and even their philosophy. Web portals of most of the private airlines or other airlines, other commercial, these all comes under the promotional sites. Another one is popular nowadays, there are large number of e-commerce sites. For example, to buy the product or selling the products, large number of e-commerce sites are available as web portals. Another one is social networks. Recently, social networks such as Facebook, LinkedIn, YouTube, Twitter, etc. have emerged into a big way. These social networks allow users to share information, articles, websites, videos, photos, etc. with their friends and others. And again, social networks may very well be in the next generation of web portals as themselves. Another important ICT concept is telecenter. A telecenter is a public place where people can access computers, the internet and other digital technologies that enable them to gather information and also create the information, learn from them and communicate with others while they develop essential digital skills. And another important concept of ICT is e-learning. E-learning is defined as teaching and learning that are delivered, supported and enhanced through the use of digital technologies and media. The basic components of e-learning system are students, people who are using e-learning system to achieve the learning goal, they are the students, and teachers, those who are using e-teaching system to monitor, guide, help and assist the students to achieve the learning goals. Another important component of e-learning system is e-content. E-content should provide important information and ways of self-evaluation. Another one is technology. Digital technologies and media should provide different ways of interaction and communication among learner and teacher. The four categories of e-learning are new information. Here students or learners are mostly passive learners and they receive and read the information, time to time it may be updated. Another type of e-learning is knowledge transfer. Here active learning takes place, some participation of learners is expected. For example, they need to read and listen and also answer some questions. And another type of e-learning is new skills. Here learner read and listen and try out new skills and assess it for his performance and later stage. Another type of e-learning is certification, highest level of e-learning. This is the highest level of e-learning. Examination is to be conducted and a certificate is awarded. Another important topic nowadays world over is debated and everybody expect to change the revolution in the agriculture is e-agriculture. E-agriculture refers to the use of information and communication technologies by the farmers, other rural people and other farm stakeholders such as extension personnel, researchers, policy makers, market middlemen or processors, etc. for information exchange, communication and learning process, which is useful for the better management of their agriculture systems and livelihoods. Using, for example, using ICTs for agriculture research, teaching, even extension, all comes under the category of broad category of e-agriculture. Nowadays another important category is emerging world over, most probably in the developing countries also, like e-extension. E-extension refers to the diverse set of information and communication technology ICT tools and applications used to communicate, create, store, disseminate and manage the information and knowledge on agriculture and allied sector to facilitate a wide range of services such as information, awareness, promotional activities, advisory, knowledge and technology transfer, training and education, etc. to farmers and other stakeholders. For example, TNAU's e-extension center, one of the important example for the e-extension activity. To sum up, in this session we discussed about the ICT concepts such as information and communication technologies, village knowledge center, village resource center, web portal and types of web portals, telecenters and the components of telecenter, e-learning and types of e-learning, emerging concepts such as e-agriculture and e-extension. I hope with this session you all understood the basic concepts of ICTs, that is information and communication technologies. For more information, please consult Manage website or the reference material provided by the Manage. Thank you.